Hello everyone, my name is Reverier, and I want to show you how we can use Screencast-o-matic to export the rich editor of Moodle. And this is our task, just to use the Screencast-o-matic to export the Moodle rich editor. So you see this section under the message section. Once, for example, this icon is not activated, is not clicked on, you have to expand the toolbar here, where you have to use the paragraph font, and in this one you will see that we have about 6 headings. And once you write, for example, this a text here, you can modify the font using the paragraph here. You see you can use the font 2, you can use the font 3, the heading 3, sorry, and this is the heading 6, very small, and this is the middle, I think. So you can use the bold to bold that one or not. So once you have the paragraph from here, you can bold this sentence as you want, and you can use you can italicize this one, and here we have to insert or remove the bulleted list. Once, for example, you have a list of a number of words, for example, then you can use this numbered list, and you will get this one. You can unnumber this one. So suppose, for example, you want to make a link of a word like this one, Screencast-o-matic. You want that once you click on that, you will be directed to the for example, this one. Let's use the website of Screencast-o-matic. Screencast-o-matic.com. So it means that once you click on this button here, you want to insert a link, and here you will fill in with the link you want, and you will insert. So here it means that you want to unlink. Here you want to insert an image. This is the a list of emoticons, and here you want to insert the video, and here you want to embed the files, and this is for undo, do, and this is for redo, I think. This is to underline. This is a font for strike through. This is for Subscript. This is for Subscript, for example. And for example, if I have 2 here, I can highlight first, and you see that it will be like an exponent. So suppose that we have a text, and you want it to align it left. You highlight it, and you will align it left. You will center. You will align it right. This is for to indent. Like, for example, let us highlight this one. This is for indent. You increase the indent, for example, rightward, and this to select a color. For example, once I highlight this one, this word, and I want to use this color for that one, and you see this one. Once I want to change to magenta, for example, or purple, let me this purple someone. No, let me choose the maroon, the blue here. It will be like that. So suppose, for example, you want to change a background of this world, the background of this world, and you have to select this one for the background. And let me choose this, for example, and for example this one. Let us take this one, and the following icon here is to direct the left to the right, and here it will be the direction right to left. And here is another one for non-breaking space character, and this is to edit, to insert a table. For example, you want to insert a table, you specify the number of columns, you specify the number of rows. For example, you can modify this one, and you insert. You will have a table of 2 columns and 4 rows. Here you can write something, this one, and here, and there, and there. Those are cells for this table. We have another button for special characters. Example, we can have Latin. Let me choose, for example, for the Greek. This is, let me begin with the alpha, I think. So if you want to insert alpha here, let me beta, for example, here. This is beta, and so on and so on. This is for to record the MP3. Sorry, this is for the to record the videos. This is to draw a picture, for example. Can draw a picture. Can draw a picture, for example. This is gentleman, and you save the picture somewhere, and you can insert the picture, and you can resize. So we have another one for taking picture once you have a webcam, and this is for to change the different fonts. For example, you can change the Korean new, and the font, for example, it can be 14 points. And here is in order to edit HTML source, and this is to find, this is to change to, or to find and replace, this is to clean up messy code, this is to remove formatting, this is to paste a plain text, and so on and so on. And this is the toggle full screen mode, like this one, and you will be back for once you click on it. This is for mathematics. It means that you want to insert a math equation, like this one, and you will see that you will have this kind of table. And suppose you want to write y equals ax plus b ax squared, for example. Suppose you want to put the squared, and plus bx plus c, then you'll be able to insert the equation there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time.